We're installing a brand new garage door opener for our clients in Seton. One of our technicians arrives and gets straight to work. First, the old opener is removed. Then, we unbox the new unit and begin a full installation, including all the components. It took us less than an hour to get everything set up and fully programmed. The safety sensors are properly aligned. The system has been maintained and inspected, all at no extra cost. You also get a 1-year warranty on all installed parts and an exclusive 10% discount on your next garage door service with us. Once the job is complete, we finalize everything on site, and you can pay using whatever method works best for you.